Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. On today's video, we're just gonna do a little minor part install on the STI, just kind of live for the wheels, kind of make them pop a little bit more. And what I'm talking about is some hub-centric rings. Right now I am rocking silver ones, as you can see. They're just plain old silver ones, and I'm gonna be swapping them out for some red ones. These are they're gonna look pretty clean, especially since the car is red. And then we have red accents on the wheels, and these should match the freaking valve stems. So yeah, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and install these on the wheels. Definitely gonna pop more than what I have right now with the just silver. But yeah, car looks good. These wheels are TE 37s, 18 by 9.5 plus 35. They fit the car amazingly, and yeah. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get these wheels off and lift it up and then swap them over. Alright, let's start by removing this wheel. I do want to lower the car a little bit. See if I haven't been able to freaking lower it because I think they're seized on there. But I haven't tried putting penetrating liquid, so I'll probably do that right now and see if they work. All right, where is that one? But let me see if I can break it loose really quick. Not sure if it'll let me, but I just want to go a little lower, you know? Whoops. For those of you that don't know, those lug nuts are by Racing. So right now it's 90. I want to kind of lower it to maybe if I do this. Not moving at all. Sucks. Like I say, that sucks because now I need new coilovers. Alright, well I can't get the freaking coilovers because I did want to lower the car a little bit. But I guess they're seized on there, so yeah, we need some new ones. I want some I want some Fortune Autos. They're kind of pricey, but might as well go all out, right? So yeah, I think I'm gonna go for some Fortune Autos. Coilovers next, after I get some sway bars in. But yeah, these lug nuts are by Racing. They don't, that company's gone, but they are titanium and they were expensive, and they're open end and they're black and they look sick, and they don't scratch as easy as the other ones, and they don't fade. You can already tell they look good. I do want to get an axle nut, maybe black. If I can find some axle nuts that are black, titanium or whatever, that'll look pretty sick. Either black or red. I don't really like the titanium look, only for like exhausts and pipes, intake pipes and stuff. But I don't like them on like nuts and bolts. I do like titanium nuts and bolts, but not the burnt style, whatever they're called. If they can make them black like this, or kind of like how my spoilers dress-up bolts are, they're black titanium and they look sick. But I'm not a fan of the rainbow titanium on bolts and studs and stuff, so yeah. But if I can get a black titanium axle nut, that'll look sick. I do want to do the engine bay soon, some titanium, but I do want it black like I said, or red, but we'll see. I think I'll rather get black, honestly, just kind of subtle, but you can see the difference. But yeah, need some new coilovers. How about that? Freaking sucks. All right, that looks good. Now let's move on to the back. That one was not tight. Oh, never mind, because I already broke them. Dumb. All right, this one looks like it stayed on there, so I'm gonna have to pop them out. All right, there's two more to go. These wheels definitely get dirty, and I just washed them. Oh, sucks when these wheels get dirty. And we just get these wheels down, torque them down to the other side. Torqued. Whoa, that was weird. And we do the other side. Off camera, of course. Alright guys, well, there it is. A little subtle difference, you can tell. I think it looks way nicer. Got the red on black in there. Looks sick. Got red, black. I think it looks way better than the silver, honestly. Oh, just something small that I notice, no one else will notice, but they definitely look clean. It'll definitely look a lot better than these ones, and plus I already fucked these up. As you can tell, they're already pretty jacked up, all scraped and stuff, so yeah, did all four corners, and yeah, they definitely look good. That's pretty much it. Too bad I couldn't lower the car anymore because of stupid coilovers. But since I wasn't running a space anymore, I was trying to see if I can lower it probably one more, because right now you can fit like 2 fingers diagonally like that. one whole finger in there. So I'm pretty sure I can lower it a little bit more, especially the back. There's a little gap there. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I lower them or not? Can't do it on these coilovers, obviously, but or should I just stick to this height for now until I need new coilovers? Definitely want to pick up some Fortunato ones, because these are the Faction Fab ones from Subi Speed. The most expensive ones they have from Faction Fab, I think they're like 1100. I could have just bit the tongue and got wasted another 1,000 and got the Fortunatos, but you know, oh well. You win some and you lose some.